Hi, and welcome back to the Vivint Demo House. My name is Darren. You love our Outdoor Camera Pro and all the smart things it can do, including detecting people and protecting your property. We're excited to announce a new, highly requested feature, vehicle detection. With the power of the computer vision chip technology, both versions of the Outdoor Camera Pro can now detect when a vehicle pulls into your driveway. Similar to person detection, vehicle detection recognizes and alerts you when a vehicle arrives, leaves, or passes through your designated detection zone. Want to know when your pizza delivery driver pulls up or when your teenager leaves for school in the morning? Vehicle detection has got you covered. And don't worry, if you have a lot of people coming and going, you can snooze notifications right from your phone's home screen. That way, you can only get the notifications that are helpful. But that's not all. Vehicle detection can also automatically record when a vehicle arrives or leaves, giving you added peace of mind. With the Vivint app, you can quickly and easily access, view, and share these recordings. So, if you're looking for extra insight into what's happening around your home, you're going to love vehicle detection. Your Outdoor Camera Pros are now more intelligent than ever before. Like this video and comment any questions that you have about our new vehicle detection feature. You can also subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to stay up to date on Vivint products. See you soon.